Andariki Shubhodayam. Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sukkar. The interpretation of students, you please recollect what is the interpretation for statutes in pari materia. Statutes, the acts on the same subject. We are going to discuss the same topic. Allhabad High Court judgment. Justice Abdul Shahid in the case of Damini versus State of UP, Uttar Pradesh others, 2026. Actually, this is an application number 4251 by 2025, filed under section 529 of the Bharatiya Nagarika Suraksha Sanhita. On 9/4/2026, that is just yesterday, please remember, the High Court ruled that Gram Nyayalayas, according to Gram Nyayalay Act, can decide the matrimonial issues like maintenance and also the execution of the maintenance orders. So please remember, previously we used to discuss in section 125 to 128 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Now they are 144 to 147 of the Bharatiya Nagarika Suraksha Sanhita. And at the same time, not only BNSS, the Gram Nyayalayas Act also contemplates, according to section 12, they can also conduct a trial, they can also award maintenance in the so-called maintenance cases. This is what is called the doctrine of pari materia. Issue is maintenance. There are two acts. If you go back, even Civil Procedure Code is also there. Even Domestic Violence Act is there. Like so many acts are there. But subject is the same. Different statutes are there. You must know how to utilize the statutes at one time. So please go through. Do not fail to go through the Rajneesh versus Neha case. Right. In the year 2018, Damini, she filed a maintenance petition before Gram Nyayalaya against her husband Pankaj Sarma. Right? So in 2018, she filed an application for maintenance from the husband. For her husband, his name is Pankaj Sarma, in the Gram Nyayalay court before the Nyayadhikari Rajiv Kumar Pal in Karhal village of Mainpuri district in Uttar Pradesh. The matter went for about 6 years and ultimately 8 years. 6 years, 2018, 2024, that man has given some award. That is, on 30/11/2024, the Grama Nyayadhikari, he has given orders to the husband Pankaj Sarma to pay maintenance to her. But is it possible that particularly in the Grama court? No, he did not pay any money. He did not pay the maintenance. You know, presently 144 BNSS, yes, you can file an execution petition. Almost after 1 year, she has filed an execution petition that the husband is not at all paying the so-called maintenance amount. Therefore, this much amount has been accrued. Please see that it is executed by attachment of the property or things like that. When that matter has come before the Grama Nyayalay court, EP execution petition. Now, this man has come to the, then he said he need not pay. Ultimately, the matter came to the High Court. Therefore, it is called Damini versus the State of Uttar Pradesh. Now, the CP number is 25/2024. Now, coming to the provisions, important thing in the provisions. There are two provisions of law. You all know, according to section 7 of the Family Courts Act, yes, family courts, they are competent or they have jurisdiction to decide the so-called matrimonial disputes and also maintenance matters. And at the same time, section 12 of the Grama Nyayalayas Act 2008, yes, they can also try the cases relating to the maintenance. So therefore, there are two legislations. You have to read them in pari materia. So now the High Court stated that yes, the Gram Nyayalaya, they have got jurisdiction to entertain the execution petition and they can see that it is executed also. So, even in Andhra Pradesh, it's a jocular thing. Every year, the High Court asks how many Gram Nyayalayas and Gram Nyayalayas have been established in Andhra Pradesh. They'll be giving some number, maybe around 200 or so. So, even in Prakasham district, in a village called Chinandipadu, near Madipadu, you can see Grama Nyayalaya court and Rasi untundi. Of course, I don't know whether any time the court was conducted or not. So, remember, even Grama Nyayalayas also have authority to decide the maintenance case. This is the important point here, nothing more than that. So, read the case law and enrich your legal knowledge. I am stopping here. Thank you very much.